Hi viewers, few days back I uploaded video where I changed air filter and clean air sensor. After that I drove a car for 10 miles and later on I drove for another 10 or 20 miles. While driving, car power cut off and three new signs display on instrument panel. First was powertrain system sign, second anti-lock brake systems, and the third one ESC off, meaning electricity stability control system. Other two signs, one is the belt and the door one, it just come in because I didn't put the seat belt on and the door is open while making this video. Luckily, I turned off the engine and turned it back again. I was able to drive. I straight away went to the auto zone. They do the free checkup for any engine light show on the instrument panel. This is the report they provided it to me. Transmission output speed sensor OSS need to be replaced and the error code is P0722 and C1204. Transmission output speed sensor located below. To reach to sensor I have to remove completely air filter box and need to push the hose back. Unclip the cable and take it out. Also take out the cable clip as well. With the help of Phillips screwdriver, loose the clamp. Gently pull out from the bag because it has two clips and then pull it out. It will be get separated. Now also remove the air filter. I need to take out this box as well. It has two 10mm screw. I'm using a 10mm socket to remove those screws. At the back there is a clip. It will be come out easily when I will pull it out. Clip is holding really tight. You probably need to give a little shake. Clip goes right in this spot. Now everything has been removed. Push the hose back as well. It was very convenient to reach to the transmission output speed sensor. This is the speed sensor. If you like, you can remove this gray cable connector right now, but it will be easy for me to do it later. I'm using the 10mm socket to unscrew this nut. After removing the nut, now give a little shake and pull out the sensor. It came out very easily, but if it is stuck with the dirt, it might take some time for removal. Use any thin straight screwdriver or a tweezer. Push it in a small hole and the clip will be get separated easily. It is time to install a new sensor. This sensor cost me $71. To install a sensor, I am going in reverse order. I took out cable connector last, but now cable connector will go first because it will be much easier. Then put the screw back and tighten it. Gently pull out the connector to make sure connector is not loose. Insert the screw and tighten it. Always do the hand tight first and then use the socket. Now put back the cover. Make sure this clip will go in the right position. Hand tight the both nuts and after that use the 10 mm socket to tighten them. Do not over tight it because it's plastic. Just need to snug it. Now I'm putting back the air filter and after that the top cover will go. I will put the top cover in the hose first. Now screw the clamp. I'm again using the Phillips screwdriver. If you want to use a socket, I believe it will be the number 8 socket. You can also use it to tighten the clamp. Finally, put the cable clip and connector back and car is ready to start. I turn on the engine and still see powertrain system, anti-lock brake system and ESC off sign as well. Belt sign is coming because I am not driving the car right now and I'm just sitting on the seat. And the door sign is also showing because the door is open. I'll give a test drive and I'm sure a couple of the sign will go away. Maybe powertrain system sign won't disappear straight away because I need to drive a car at least 4 or 5 miles to reset this sign. I started drive. I'm not going far away because might be the car will shut off. I just want to do the test drive in my street only to make sure the sign will disappear and car is not stopping anymore. You probably notice belt sign is not coming anymore because I'm wearing the belt right now and door sign is also not showing. because all the doors are closed. Rest 3 signs are showing as it is. Even I can see the ESC off, but it's not showing in the camera. Now 2 signs disappear, anti-lock brake system and ESC off, but the powertrain system is still there. As I mentioned to you earlier, if I drive for a couple of miles, that sign will be also go away because the car will reset by itself. Again, if that sign does not go away, please take your car to the auto zone to check if any other sign is coming or take to the mechanic. If this video helped you to fix your car issue, do not forget to leave the feedback and provide your comment. Until the next video, goodbye.